Hello students, we are back again with our English 2 video and today we will do lesson number 5, The Little Red Hen. Before reading the lesson, let me introduce you to the main characters of this story. So the characters of this story are a little red hen with her 2 chicks, a cat who is always sleepy, a goose who is always tired, and a rat who is always busy. So let's read the story from page number 61, Mulberry Book.
Little Red Hen lived on a farm with her chicks, a cat, a goose, and a rat. One day, she found a grain of wheat. She took the grain to the other farm animals. "Who will help me plant this grain?"
I won't. I'm too sleepy.
"I won't. I'm too tired."
No, I won't. I'm too busy.
"Then I will plant this grain of wheat." So Little Red Hen called her little chicks to help her. Together they hoed the field, planted the grain, and watered it each day. Soon the wheat grew tall, yellow, and ripe. Once again, Little Red Hen went up to the other farm animals. "Who will help me cut and thresh this wheat?"
I won't. I'm too sleepy.
"I won't. I'm too tired."
I won't. I'm too busy.
"Then my chicks and I will cut and thresh this wheat." Little Red Hen cut the wheat with her beak. The little chicks carried the stalks to the thresher. The thresher separated the wheat from the stalks. Soon they had a big sack of grain. "Who will help me take this sack to the mill?"
I won't. I'm too sleepy.
"I won't. I'm too tired."
I won't. I'm too busy.
Little Red Hen took the wheat to the mill. The miller ground the grain into fine flour. Little Red Hen carried home the sack of flour. "Who will help me bake a loaf of bread?"
I won't. I'm too sleepy.
"I won't. I'm too tired."
I won't. I'm too busy.
"Then we will bake a loaf of bread." The little chicks loved to help in the kitchen. They mixed and kneaded and shaped the dough into a loaf and baked it. It was a lovely, warm loaf of bread. It smelt delicious. "Who will eat this loaf of bread?"
I will.
"I will."
I will.
"No, my chicks and I will eat this loaf of bread." Then Little Red Hen called her chicks, and they ate the lovely warm bread.
So students, you have seen in the story how a hard-working little red hen and her chicks planted a grain of wheat which she found on the farm. Then she cut them. She went to the thresher to thresh it, that means to separate it from the stalks. Then she went to the mill to make it into a flour, and finally she could eat a loaf of bread made with that flour. So in this story we can see that whenever the little red hen asked the other animals of the farm to help her, they never helped her. The goose said, "I am too tired." The cat said, "I am too sleepy." And the rat always said, "I am too busy." So none of them helped the little red hen. But she, along with her chicks, planted the grain of wheat, threshed it, sacked it, took it to the mill, and did all the hard work to eat the warm loaf of bread, which was very delicious. And only her chicks and the little red hen could eat that because they worked hard for it. So we learn from this lesson that hard work earns reward. If you don't work hard, you will never get any good reward. The other farm animals did not work hard, so they could not eat the loaf of bread. But Little Red Hen and Chicks worked hard, so they got the reward. I hope you have understood the story, and we will do the assignments in our English 2 notebook. I will send the assignments along. You can do it in your notebook and learn them as well. Till then, stay safe, keep